Hello, and I want to welcome you to our brand new video series, in which we're going to be exploring some use cases for popular AI coding tools, in addition to some scrapers, some proxies, and some other tools that you might want to use along your journey to build a business with AI. Recognize that while providing you with some of the reviews and the walkthroughs that I do in this channel, more importantly, some people will need some ideas and how to build them. At the end of the day, my goal is to hopefully help some people change their life, improve their lifestyle, earn some income on the side, and perhaps help them earn their main income out of these projects. Starting today, I will be sharing a monthly video series in which I will go into 4 or 5 videos showing you number one, all the tools that you will need to build this business idea. Number two, how to probably market it. Number three, how to use all these tools in order for you to achieve this project. Number four, of course, the idea and going a little bit in depth into why this idea I believe is important. And number five, how to get it to your customers' hands. Now, while this will be a video series, I will also be sharing the journey on my website. I'm redesigning my website to meet the intent that we have to share with you the journey of building a business. And these are not going to be businesses that I will be launching, but ideas that I will be building with you. I will have different templates on my website available for purchase. So if you decide that you don't want to go through the trouble of developing these from scratch, these are going to be 75% solution that will require some work to make them yours. But at least it will be a solid starting point of what I wish I would have had if I were to start this type of business. Additionally, I will have a community where you will be able to go and talk with people that are building businesses using AI coding tools by coders just like you. And hopefully this will help streamline the process of you building a business. This will be your community, your tribe, and this will all be part of a membership that I will be launching here in the near future. With that being said, I want you to sit back, relax, and take advantage of these free opportunities that I'm offering. The video series are completely free and you can access them through here, the YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, I encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity and take the moment and subscribe to this channel. Like this video, please help me reach more people around the world. But more importantly, let me know down in the comments below what business ideas you want me to cover. I already have some in mind. Matter of fact, I already started recording the first video series, and that will be released here relatively soon in the next couple of days. But I want to know what business idea you want me to cover, what kind of projects you want me to build. And I will be taking ideas from the comments down below. With that being said, I really appreciate you taking your time and watching this video with me. I really hope that this is of benefit to you or somebody that you know. Perhaps you can share this video with them. And I hope to see you on the first video.